The IFTAs are flying off the shelves. To present the Rising Star Award, one of Ireland's most prolific actors. If we listed all of his credits, tonight's show would run longer than the Oscars, and we don't want that. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean McGinley.
Hello, up Clondike. Huh? We're here to celebrate the young people. The Rising Star Award in association with the Irish Film Board, which does incredible work in financing Irish film production and creating opportunities for writers, actors, directors and crew in the Irish film and drama. So we're going to celebrate some of the wealth of talent, young rising talent that we have in this country. So the nominees are
Rebecca Daly, writer-director. Alex Fegan, writer-director. Stephen Fingleton, writer-director. Barry Ward, actor.
And the IFTA goes to Stephen Fingleton.
You get a card as well. Thank you very much for this. It's a tremendous honour to be nominated alongside such brilliantly talented people. I've worked with Barry Ward. He's an incredible actor, and tremendously grateful to be alongside him. There are too many people who have supported me along this way. My producers, my editor, my actors, all these people who've given me their love and support in trying to create work. But I'd like to give a special mention to Northern Ireland Screen, who have been fantastic supporters of me from the very beginning of my kind of professional career. And without them, I wouldn't be here. I hold everyone who's helped me in my heart. Thank you very much.